Okay, so we have the slide now made. We used follow me, we pulled it up. You know, I know there's a little gap. This is definitely going to be not perfect. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to figure out a way to get onto the slide. We can't just jump all the way up there. So what we're going to do is we're going to kind of get an angle so that we can zoom down here. And we are going to, from this corner, we're going to make 0.5. We're going to make 0.5 by 0.5 here, 0.5 comma 0.5. And here we'll make the same thing, 0.5 comma 0.5. Okay, good. So we have it like that, and we're going to use push-pull, which is in that follow me tool now. I'm going to bring this down 6. So now theoretically, it's supposed to be, see that it didn't make it all the way. So I think we need to bring it down 6.5. So 6.5. It's always good to check your work, make sure that, so good. Now it seems like it's on the ground, very nice. Awesome. So we know that this is 6.5. So what I'm going to do is I want to measure it so we can get at least, let's say, 5 rungs. So I'm going to go to one of these sides, and I'm going to measure 1 up. So 1, enter. I'm going to find the endpoint right here. Good. And I'm going to go across. I'm going to do the same thing going all the way up. So 1, enter. Endpoint. Click 1, enter. I'm going to keep doing that. So we have a couple rungs. Right now they're not rungs yet, but you'll see how we're going to make them. So we're just measuring 1 intervals of 1. We'll do 1 at the top just to be super safe. And now we are going to use the circle tool. We're going to go to the midpoint of what we just made, and we're going to make these. Let's see. We're going to make these where it says, we're going to make it 1/8, which is 0.125. We go here, and you write 0.125. Here, 0.125. You're going to keep doing that all the way up. Here, 0.125. 0.125. 0.125. Now you're going to take all those excess lines that we don't need, pretty much everything except the circle. We're going to delete those because we just want the circles. You might see that might be the little tedious part of the assignment, is getting rid of the circles. Right? Now we're going to use push-pull. And you're going to take this, click in. This is, you're going to really need to be able to use the orbit tool. You're going to click here, and orbit to the other side, and make it go in. Click here, orbit to the other side, make it go in. You're going to do that all the way up. So click, orbit. You can really go in, you just don't want it to go through. So if you go through like that, no one's going to really know. So, you know, if you want to do something like the way that I just showed, it doesn't have to be perfect. Obviously, make it going through and then click it in. Make this going through, click it in, and now you have your kind of your stairway up. So your ladder up there. Couple things going on up here that we might not officially want. So what I'm going to do, let's see what we can do up here. We're going to take the pencil tool. We're going to click over here, and then we're actually going to open this up. So we kind of want it to be, and so you've got to make sure you delete. So we have the ladder going up, and then you have the space to get on. The one thing that we do want, I don't like this kind of hole here. If you take the pencil tool and just go from one corner, oh, I know why the hole formed, because this part got deleted. So if you go from here to here, that should just fill right back in. Same thing from this corner here to here, that fills right back in. The last video is coming up.